Hi, Darin Martineau from Master Magic Shop, and welcome to Master Magic University. This is my exclusive online magic course that will teach you how to become a master magician much faster and more effectively than any other system. This is the world's greatest magic course, guys. Uh, my name is Darin Martineau, and I'm the protege of Allan Ackerman, who's the world's greatest card magician. I'm a best-selling author of over 100 magic books, and I'm a mentor to many magicians. I've been doing magic for over 40 years. I've won first place in the IBM close-up magic contest, ring 257, Las Vegas. And what this video is about is what is this course about. And this is a very detailed step-by-step magic course. This is an exclusive world-class magic course that includes all of my very best magic that I have created and learned from a lifetime in the art of magic over 40 years. I have handpicked this out of thousands of the world's greatest magic. Now, in this course, it will allow you to astonish audiences and people anytime and anywhere with your magic. Okay, you're going to learn exclusive magic. So, what is this? Okay, this is a magic that's just too good for YouTube. All right. Uh, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced magician, this course is for you. There's something for everybody. Uh, what's inside of this Master Magic course? New card magic, all my originals, and much more. New coin magic, new impromptu magic, uh, new mentalism, magic script books. This is a combination of video tutorials and many ebooks. Uh, Absolutely incredible magic, guys. Now, you're going to learn from the basics, from beginners, all the way up to advanced sleights, exclusive advanced new techniques, methods, and principles. And this is magic that you can walk into any room and impress and amaze everyone, guys. So some of the highlights includes my incredible new card sleights, new coin magic. These are pro routines that you can go out and make money with. Many professionals use it, such as Shin uses my magic and endorses it as well. My eclipse color changes, my super visual color changes, everything. This is all of my best magic, guys. So click on the link and join now, and you will get access to all this amazing magic. Thank you very much.